Right, do it again. Another purchase. Crimping tool this time. In case you don't know, you should know what it is if you clicked on it because you've seen the thumbnail. So it's because I want to buy a van to convert to a camper, so I need to do electric, so I need one of these crimping tools, and this one's an hydraulic one, so it's easy to use. It makes life easier because the connection is what you put on the battery, which is the main thing I'm going to use it for. I've seen someone using what look like garden shears and they have to put a lot of force in. With this one, it's so easy, which I'll show you. I'll not be reviewing it properly on this video, I'm just going to be showing it you and what you get because I'm waiting for an inverter to come, and when that comes I'll be wiring it up to a battery to get a test, see what it's like. So I'll be reviewing inverter and crimping tool properly. I'll just show you what it's like, see what you think. Mainly because it's on a good price at the minute, in case you want to go and have a look at it, if you have to one. Right, let's have a look. So this is the item in question. I'll show you a bit. It comes in this, which is really good quality, to be honest. Box, should I say. Yeah, as you open it up, this is what you've got. I'll tell you something, it's heavy. It's really heavy. So what it is, it's an hydraulic crimping tool. A little bit on that. You got this. These, if you can see them, these bits take out, and just showing a bit, as you can see, you've got a set of them, different ones. They're all separate. These, what's in here, got different size. Basically, just for crimping your terminals on your batteries and things like that. When you're doing any electronics, electrics, things like that. You'll know if you're watching this, you'll know what it's for. But there's some weight behind it. It's really heavy. Easy enough to use. You just turn it. You see it says on, and it just, you see it move. And then what it does, it just crimps the wires like that. And then to release it, you just turn it. It goes back down again. They're a good price, these. But yeah, if you any kind of electronics in your car, or if you're doing a camper van up, this is ideal. I've after one for a while and it just come up on offer. So I thought I'd do this now because I think it's on offer, or it's still on offer. So that's why I thought I'd put it on at the moment. But I'm going to do another video using it when I get rest of bits I need. Yeah, so that's about it really. I'll show you what comes with it. So as you can see in here, you've got all the extra fittings. It's got the sizes and everything on. Yeah, that's about it really. Some spare bits for it. It's worth its money. I mean, like I said, this case alone, it's really strong. So yeah, it is a quick one. I do apologise. It were only just to demonstrate in case anybody were after one. But I will do another video on using it. I just thought I'd put this one on there while it's on offer. I just said that, yeah, that was a quick video because, like I said, I just wanted to put it on because it's on offer at the minute, and I'll keep saying that, but just in case you wanted it, I didn't want you to miss it if it's something you're after. And obviously, if you clicked on it through the thumbnail or whatever, then you were wanting to see it. Anyway, I'll leave it at that, and I will do a video on me using it, hopefully when I'm doing the van, when I get the van, and we'll see how it goes. And I've got some other bits what I want to put on as well soon. So, need some kitchen items.